In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a premium auto dealership website with Claude Sonnet. Whether you're a web development enthusiast or a business owner looking to establish a strong online presence, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step. First, we'll get started by opening Claude. Make sure you're using Claude AI, which is designed to assist you in various creative tasks, including web development. Once you're there, sign in and start a new chat. This sets the stage for the creation of your website. Next, you'll need to gather all the essential details about the dealership. This information is crucial as it will form the backbone of your website content. Once you have these details ready, prepare to input a master prompt into Claude. This prompt will guide Claude to generate the necessary website code for you. Imagine yourself taking on the role of a senior web developer as well as a UI/UX designer, because that's exactly how Claude will operate. Your task is to create a premium auto dealership website tailored for a luxury car business. The focus here is on elegance and functionality, drawing inspiration from high-end brands like BMW and Mercedes. The website will feature a modern luxury user interface. Let's start with the homepage that includes a visually striking hero section. It's the first thing visitors will see, so ensure it captures the essence of luxury and professionalism. Following that, we'll develop a car inventory listing page. This page will include filters for brand, price, and model, enabling potential customers to browse through options with ease. For each vehicle, there will be a detailed section. Here, you have the opportunity to fully showcase the features and specifications of each car, making it easier for customers to make informed decisions. Don't forget the About page, which will narrate the story of your dealership and build trust with visitors. Moving forward, we'll add a financing section. This is particularly for those interested in the financial aspect of purchasing a vehicle. Providing clear and accessible information here can significantly enhance the customer experience. We will also include a testimonials page to highlight customer satisfaction and build credibility. No professional website is complete without a contact page. Incorporate a form that allows visitors to reach out directly. It's also a good idea to add WhatsApp and click-to-call buttons, offering convenient communication options. Let's not forget the technical backbone, the tech stack. We'll be using HTML for the web page structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactive elements. The goal is to produce fully functioning code files, index.html, style.css, and script.js, that are not only responsive and fast, but also ready for production. Finally, ensure you take advantage of local SEO optimization. This will make it easier for potential customers in your area to find your website. The final output should be a complete working website that reflects the essence of luxury and efficiency, ready to make an impact in the digital marketplace.